Hi, I'm Mike King, Director of Emergency Communication Solutions at Esri. Over the past 12 months, our scientists have been working nonstop on solutions for public safety organizations like yours. In particular, we've been working on the new tool set for the PSAP, the Public Safety Answering Point. Now, some parts of the world call these command and control centers, but regardless of the name, the purpose is to receive emergency calls from the public and route the appropriate police, fire, or EMS personnel to the scene. This comes at a critical time in our history as PSAPs around the world migrate their two-dimensional data to three-dimensional information, all part of the next generation movement for our emergency call centers. Well, I've invited my colleague, Chris Fox, to take a few moments today and share with you our new address data management solution. Chris is the product lead for ArcGIS Solutions. Chris, thanks a lot. Can you please run us through some of the powerful capabilities of this solution and share how it will directly benefit law enforcement organizations around the world as they migrate their systems to next generation ready?
The Address Data Management solution delivers a set of capabilities that help you maintain a set of address layers that incorporate national guidelines, help you streamline your data management workflows, and continuously improve the quality of your address information. We deliver the solution via an ArcGIS Pro project that comes with a set of address layers that follow those national guidelines such as NEDA, and also includes a set of pre-configured tasks that walk you through the key workflows in managing your address information. One of the first things you may need to do is add or update existing roads. And we leverage a master road name table to ensure that the valid road names that exist in your address repository are enforced. So you'll only be able to create new roads or new address points that follow one of these road names. When constructing a new road, you may need to intersect existing roads, and those existing roads have address ranges. But when we create the new road at the intersection point, we'll often want to split that road at that location and prorate the address ranges. And the solution does that automatically for me. So when I constructed this new road, it intersected it and split the road at that intersection point, and it prorated the left and right address ranges before and after the intersection. For my new road, I'm going to enter in the new address ranges. So on the left, will go from 101 to 299, and on the right, it will go from 100 to 298, and it is West 5th Avenue. So again, this is limited by my master road name table. Now that I've constructed a new road, I'm going to create new address points, and we provide easy construction tools to do that. So I'm going to construct some address points on the right side of the road, and I'm going to offset them by 75 feet. As I click along the road, it's automatically going to construct new site address points, 75 feet offset from the road, and it's going to create an address number based on the address range of the road and the distance along the road where that address point was placed. It's also going to pull the full road name and give me a full address number. Additionally, I can update additional attributes about the address. I can move that address point to a more accurate location. So by default, we offset by a distance, but I can update the physical location of that address point. I can provide one or more postal addresses associated with that address point. And I can also add one or more entrance points. So for example, this address is off of 5th Avenue, but there's a driveway entrance here off of North Mill Street. I could place that on the map and associate that address point with that driveway entrance. We also provide tools to help you flip the road direction. So the digitized direction is important for determining what is right and left. And you can also swap parity. So if the right side and left side address ranges need to be flipped, you can do that as well. We provide a tool that can create intersection points, which is intersections are used in a lot of different workflows. When you create an intersection point, it will pull the cross-street information into that intersection. And finally, we provide a set of pre-configured data reviewer checks that help you check the integrity of your address information. These include things like invalid left and right address ranges or finding address points that are not near the road that they indicate they should be near. You can quickly find these errors in your data, symbolize them on the map, resolve them, and track the status of those changes in the reviewer tables. So you always have a history or an audit of changes that you made relative to these reviewer checks. So that's a quick overview of the address data management solution. Again, it's designed to help you maintain a authoritative address inventory, incorporating many of those national standards such as NENA into the layer design. We help you streamline the data management and editing workflows and help you continuously improve the quality and accuracy of your address information.
Thanks, Chris. Having a solution that actually leverages national guidelines and provides the flexibility to quickly add new subdivisions, create addresses, and join intersections is absolutely game-changing. Being able to create dispatchable locations that show the access and egress points is long overdue and has the potential to reduce the time it takes for a first responder to get to the scene and, frankly, provide life-saving help. Well, folks, if you'd like to learn more about how you can leverage this free solution to Esri license holders or how you can start using ArcGIS, reach out to us at www.esri.com/911. And thanks for watching, and thanks for protecting and serving our communities throughout the world.